So today I'm going to be replacing a bearing on my 1989 Jaguar XJ6. So I've already replaced the inner bearing, so today I'm just replacing the outer. So there's this ring here for the outer part of the bearing. You gotta bang that out. I don't have a press, so I'm just banging it out. The easiest way you can do that is a hammer and a flathead screwdriver. Damn, that went a lot smoother than the inner one. Let's see, right there, throw that to the side, we don't need that no more. The other bearing, don't need that. Okay. There's a new one, just kind of sit down in there. And you can use the old one to bang it in with. I'll wipe it off. Alright, this is the part where you take that old one. I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but and then you use the old one to tap the new one in. Yeah, I can't do it one-handed. Just see here. Alrighty. It's good over there. Good over there. You want to be careful you don't get this stuck in there, which I probably did. Yes, I did. Alright, so I got the old piece out. I got this tube of glue, lots of grease. You want to put a fuck ton of grease on this shit. Only this, if I had the right tool to get this shit out. Oh, that is grease right there. Whole bunch. The more the merrier. Slide it back on. That new bearing. Screw it right up. Come on. This goes a lot smoother when you have the right tools for the job. Now if that's in, put a fuck ton more grease on that. You never have too much lube. Next, this plate goes back on. Then the nut. Come on. Spin on by hand. Too damn slippery. And after this, we're going to take it for a test drive. See if that obnoxious grinding is gone. Okay. Tighten it down. I'm probably pressing it in there the rest of the way as I tighten it. Yep. Okay. You don't want to make it too tight. If you make it too tight, then it won't spin. I kind of just tighten it. And see if it still spins when I'm done. Okay. That's good. This little piece back on. I don't know what you're going to call that, but and you want to put the collar pin back in. That's important so your fucking wheel don't fly off when you're driving down the road with your hub. Come on, go back in there. There it goes. Bend it back over. Alrighty, that looks good. Before we're done, I'm gonna pack this in full of more grease. Oh god. Try not to get my greasy hands all over it. There we go. And if you know how to do brakes, the rest is pretty self-explanatory. There's my lube. Now, I got this all tore apart. You might want to use that time to lube up your pins and shit. A bit more lube in there. Don't want these fuckers seizing up again. Come on, boot, go back on. Alright, now it's a pain in the ass part. These bolts never want to thread in. And I got all my tools in my way right now. I got some cleanup to do. I think I got it. Hey, nowhere near as painful as last time. May have just jinxed it for the bottom bolt, but hopefully not. You know, when you hear those brakes grinding real loud, then you know you need to change them. Slide this back on. Alrighty. And then we stick the wheel back on. Oh shit. Ugh. Just got me some new tires. Firestone. A lot cheaper than Goodyear's. So far it seems like they got better grip in the rain. I hope they last a lot longer too. Remember when I first got this thing, it had a Pirellis on it and some bald ass tires. I went with my friend driving down the highway. It was like torrential downpour and back end fishtail and went backwards on the highway. Ooh, that was terrifying. Then there's one time I almost slid it into a ditch trying to drift around a corner in the wintertime, and that didn't go too well. Alrighty, let's see if the starter grinds. Just a little grind. Alrighty, let's go for the test drive now. Alrighty, here's the test drive. Don't mind the annoying ass belt squeak. Let's roll up the windows. Okay, it usually isn't cops on this road, so I'm gonna get up to 60 where it would usually start grinding. And when I would let off, there is no grinding from that side of the car. We did good. Now, just for fun, I'm gonna drive down this back road. Buttery smooth now. This is great. I love this road. Trucks do this lane on like standard lane on this road. Oh, look at that, staying in this lane. It used to be 55 down this road, and then they changed it to 45, which is just no fun. 55 was a lot more fun. And that's going to be all for this video. So if you liked it, give it a like. If you want to see more videos on my car, then hit subscribe.